Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Kaizer Chiefs soyincoma la kumele siyincome khona but soyi-attack-a la ingenzi kahle khona. Barobha bafethu uSiboniso Gaqa i-10 million rands. Cabanga bafethu 10 million warojwa umuntu omnyama. Hayi mina ngiyazi into enje but asingeneni kuyo le ndaba lesi-understand kahle. 2012 uSiboniso usayina ne-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu i-contract ye-20 million rands for 4 years. So uthe uma ekhuluma kwi-interview i-contract yakhe be-include ama-signing on fee whatever and everything. In 4 years laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bekazohola malini 20 million rands. Kusho ukuthi in 4 years how many months? I-48 months, right? So kusho ukuthi an average of around 400,000 a year or a month bekayihola laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but that was not his salary. Possibly maybe bamnike 5 million signing on fee and then for 4 years maybe wahola maybe ngenyanga in 4 years bekahola around 312,000 or 300,000 or so, yabo. So i-contract yakhe yaqhubeka udlala kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bawina ama-cup, bawina ini basa, and then before seyizophela 2016 uqeda ukujoyina uSteve Komphela, uba nenkinga noSteve Komphela. So uSteve Komphela kusho ukuthi abasakhulumisana, ugcine sengasadlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs on and off, bayamthembisa ukuthi uzodlala, egcine engadlalanga. Hayi ekugcineni i-Kaizer Chiefs makuphela renew isiyaphela, before iphele i-contract yakhe sokusela unyaka bamsayinise i-contract entsha, brand new contract, i-2-year contract ewetha over 10 million rands, ne bayamsayinisa le contract lena, fine. Singakhohlwa ukuthi le 4-year contract le bekayisayina ekuqaleni sokusele nje couple of months kula bamnika i-renewal, so kumele-ke uba nenkinga last year i-contract yakhe ayikafiki le 2 years bafethu, ayikaqali nokuqala i-2 years, kusho ukuthi beqala 2017 2018. uSteve Komphela ngoba unenkinga noSiboniso, inkinga yabo abasakhulumisana. uSteve Komphela at the time ucoach, then igcina kusho ukuthi uSteve Komphela sokumele kuhambe oyedwa, kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yathemba uSteve Komphela. Leyo nto yabayenzelani in the long run, because yabulala i-Kaizer Chiefs even more, because uSteve Komphela bamnika ama-opportunities amaningi, u-Kaizer Chiefs azange ayenzele lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs. And then i-Kaizer Chiefs mayiphela i-contract kaSiboniso ithi kuye i-contract sozohamba-ke mfethu because of kunenkinga yakho no-coach whatever. Kusho ukuthi ba-choose-a iside laka-coach, bathi hayi sohlala no-coach thina umuntu esine-long term project naye than ukuthi sivele sihlale ne-player. Okay fine, so kumele phela bamnika i-settlement because usayine 2-year contract. Same thing eyenzakale manje ngo-coach Nabi ne-Kaizer Chiefs. uNabi usaselelwe i-couple of months ku-Kaizer Chiefs, in fact beselelwe unyaka, but bekune-clause ethi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingayi-renew i-contract automatic if ucoach Nabi wenza kahle, but-ke bamhambisa before iphela ilokhu njani i-contract yakhe. Kusho ukuthi kumele bamnike yonke imali yakhe or bavumelane ngama-terms ukuthi okay, ngoba sikolota lesi coach Nabi i-12 million, so vele sikunike lesi, yazivumelane ngo-5 million, sixhawulane, shake hands and then separate ways, yabo, omunye ayile omunye ayile. But uSiboniso-ke i-mistake ayenza yena, wathemba i-Kaizer Chiefs, wasayina i-contract, wayinika wonke umuntu wasayina uthi i-contract lelo phepha beliku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi mabethi kuye sokumele uhambe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, u-expect i-settlement, kukhulunyiswane, kuhlale phansi ukuthi i-contract bazoyiphula kanjani i-agreement. i-Kaizer Chiefs ithi igcineni uyithatha i-Kaizer Chiefs manuyisa ku-PSL DC, labo vele baya bawine khona i-case, bathi i-Kaizer Chiefs seyiqamba amanga, ithi ayikaze kwaba ne-contract, cabanga. And uSiboniso ukhuluma ku-public platform bafethu, phela lento le i-Kaizer Chiefs ingamisa ema-court whatever because uthi wonke umuntu wayeku-Kaizer Chiefs at the time uyazi, alikho iplayer elingazi uthi basayina i-contract, bayi-renew i-contract yena nobani, no-Bernard Parker. Uthi-ke kunento yakhona u-Kaizer Chiefs umuntu uma esayina i-contract ushayela izandla laphana ku-training, abantu baya around bamshayela izandla whatever, bam-congratulate, izinto ezinjalo, yenzeka nakuye. And if I went back to the media bafethu, ikhona lento le online, i-Kaizer Chiefs i-announce straight ukuthi uSiboniso usayine i-new contract ne-Kaizer Chiefs. But guess what, bona i-Kaizer Chiefs because iphepha belikubo, but no, asikaze sasayina i-contract, asikaze sasayina i-contract. Ezinye izinto bafethu uyazifela and uzifela later on as umuntu, uthi ungamenza kanjani omunye umuntu. Baneqiniso ukuthi okay, Siboniso bahlale naye phansi, asisaboni ngathi wena niyasebenzisana noSteve Komphela, so there's no way ethimini yethu sibe mhlampe nabantu abawu-2 abangazwani because sizama uku-create i-healthy environment. So thina sifuna ukukhansela i-contract yakho lesakunika yona, but mfowethu into esingakunika yona mhlawumbe u-3 million and then-ke uhambe. Ngicabanga ukuthi naye wayezowuthatha u-3 million ahambele bafowethu if bavumelane ngalo nto, but Kaizer Chiefs yavele athi ayisekho i-contract. But-ke le nto yenziwa yini ama-lawyer. Asibuyeleni emuva kancane, ngifuna ukunibonisa ukuthi ukuwa kwe-Kaizer Chiefs kuqala nini, because uSiboniso bekhona kule cup lokugcina i-Kaizer Chiefs ilithatha. So before lapho oMashamayite, uMandla Masango, uTumele Nkhune, amaplayer amaningi waba nenkinga ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Yahlukana lapho i-Kaizer Chiefs because amaplayer amaningi, that was 2015 or so, isizini mayiphela, amaplayer amaningi afuna ama-better contracts, right? UMashamayite at some point bese-America, ku-New York City, whatever, ngathi uyatrayela khona, wahamba waya kwamanye ama-country, azange aphumelele overseas, ngathi wadlala unyaka so waphinde wabuya-ke, i-career yakhe was never the same. But uTumele Nkhune wacishe wahamba naye ku-Kaizer Chiefs that moment, or before lapho, after ngasikhathi kunobuzizizi nje bafethu, ubuzuzuzu obuningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kulawo ma-moment lawo abafana baku-Kaizer Chiefs bathi ba-underpaid, especially laba abakhulele ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abanye badimanda ama-contract angcono. uSiboniso ku-interview uchaza nento ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi yena wafika ne-culture ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi nala ma-player amancane awahlonishwe bafethu, kungabi ukuthi okay kube ne-hierarchy ukuthi laba ama-senior players ba-treat-wa kanje kanje, even ney'mali nama-bracket ukuthi nalaba abasizwe bafethu, because of, I mean, bayinto eyi-one at the end of the day, right? Uze wenza ne-example ngo-Estienne, uyasho ukuthi u-Estienne weza one of the players weza kuye, beka-young player then u-Estienne mase yadlalela AmaZulu, uthi weza kuye ambonga ukuthi hey banginikile imali la ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngenze 1 2 3 1 2 3, understand? So Kaizer Chiefs i-team i-collapse because of i-management. But before i-management they could not sit down, i-coach noSiboniso bahlale phansi bathi mfethu what is the way forward from manje, whatever, but no, but decide yena ukusayida noSteve Komphela. uSteve Komphela Kaizer Chiefs azange ayenzele lutho-ke, siyakhumbula bafethu. Washawa, if ngangenza iphutha, washawa naku-final yani i-cup game ne. But before last season kaSiboniso ukulaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kuhamba uMashamayite, I think kuhamba uMashamayite ngalezo inkinga lezo, namanye ama-player ayahamba, aboMandla Masango, kufika aboSiyanda Xulu. uSiyanda Xulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs was one of the highest paid players at the time. Naye washo straight kwi-interview, but azange ayenzele lutho i-Kaizer Chiefs, naye kwaba nje ney'nkinga ne-disconnect between yena naboMatoho in terms of ukuthi babe in sync ezama-defenders ngoba babe-consider amagoli amaningi. So yazibona izinto eziwisa i-team ukuthi into ey'ncane kanjani bafethu, because you cannot kill i-core ye-team nama-players ane-leadership kakhulu for the sake of ukuthi ufuna ukugcina abanye abantu, makube ne-common ground, abantu bahlaliswe phansi. But-ke asikhulumeni izinto ezipositive ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-contract enkulu, yes, yamnika uSiboniso Pagaxa enkulu, 20 million bafethu, that's a big money in 2012. I mean, yeah, ukhulume nangama-pressures wakhe laphana ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-pressure ingakanani, but I wanna go back to this thing engikhulume ngayo a few days ago, ukuthi ama-player ku-PSL awayehola u-500,000 on average. Why uSiboniso ahola imali engaka lesi ngaboma-2012 2013? Why? Bebuya overseas, udlala ama-World Cup, udlale in. Yabona mase sokuma, and le nto ishiwo njalo bafethu, uTeko Modise uke wayisho le nto leyo ukuthi there's no young star elihola imali e-right ku-PSL, umuntu onaboma-21, imali uyithola uma unaboma-28. And uSiboniso naye ubuya uphe eBelgium una-28, Kaizer Chiefs bayamdonsa. And why Kaizer Chiefs imnika i-contract ye-20 million? Because they did not have to sign him, bamthola mahhala. Yena wavumelana nale team yakhe yaseBelgium ukuthi bamdedele mahhala, Kaizer Chiefs yamthola mahhala. So bahlanganisa yonke le nto leyo ukuthi asemthole mahhala, washa wacimisa somnika i-contract engcono. But imali funny enough, ama-players back then bawahola better than ama-players la. Bekumele ngabe ama-players ku-PSL amanye uholo 1 million, but akwenzeki lokho. I wanna take people back kancane, i-collapse ye-recession, if okay laba abafundile or abalandela izinto bayayazi. It was around 2008 i-collapse, laba bebanama-contracts angcono ku-PSL, bakhona around 2008 ya-collapse, angithi kwaba ne-recession emhlabeni, izinto ama-financial sector yawa kancane, izindlu kula zakhuphuka khona kakhulu, bacasha ngaloko abanye abantu. But khona abantu, I wanna go to a specific moment, ngizama ukubonisa abantu because ngifuna ukuyilinka lento le ne-COVID-19 ukuthi ama-team acasha ngama-moment afana nalawo ukuthi angakhokheli ama-players kakhulu. 2020 ama-salaries wama-players washona phansi bafowethu, azange asakhuphuka kakhulu because ama-team bewakhala ngokuthi i-COVID whatever. I mean, it makes sense ukuthi ama-sponsors whatever bewangakhiphi that much in terms of i-COVID because of khona i-return on investment beyingekho that much because of i-lockdown, right? So iy'mali zama-players zange zikhuphuke to that extent. Ne-media at the same time is not helping. Bengibukela ilo interview kaDoli mebethi uDoli behola 1 million something ku-Kaizer Chiefs, akuphika lo kade azange ahole leyo mali leyo. UDoli I went back and search ukuthi behola malini laphana ku-Montepillar laphana eFrance, around 500,000. Uthi uDoli i-Kaizer Chiefs mayimthatha le phesheya yamatcha isalary le bekayohola kuphi le eFrance. Usho ukuthi uDoli ku-Kaizer Chiefs beyahola over 500,000. Imali eningi still, but not the fluctuated amount le beyiriphothiwa ku-media. Bakhona ama-players a few, mhlawumbe akhona awu-2, 3, 4 ahola uma-600,000 ku-P_S_L, but on average ama-player ahola u-40,000, 60,000. That's the average yaku-P_S_L. Average 40,000, 60,000 namhlanje. But uSiboniso, I mean 2012 behola in average of 300,000 ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But he was one of the few exceptions ngoba that time i-model in terms of ukubhadalwa kwama-player, I mean, everything was booming in South Africa. It was just after the World Cup, naye bekayipart of i-World Cup, everything was picking up. But manje Kaizer Chiefs iphikisane nokusayina uPercy Tau wathi ufuna 450,000. Yathi Kaizer Chiefs never. So it makes sense. No, ayenzi sense ukuthi bangakwazi ukusayina umuntu because bayam-afford. But-ke financially seba-realize we don't need to pay these guys imali eningi. So they would rather ba-relaxele. Angifuna ukukhuluma ngama-youngsters because khona one of the biggest youngsters engiyazi straight i-contract yakhe, ngazi straight ukuthi uhola malini, akayiholi ne-100,000, but he's one of the biggest stars ku-South African football, one of the biggest stars, and udlalela ama-big two wase-South Africa, ku-Orlando Pirates or ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngeke ngimusho because abantu bazothi ngikhuluma ngabo. So I'm saying this because ngithi ngiyayazi because of bengisebenza ne-agent emmanager, so siyazazi lezi zinto zama-contract and stuff. But yeah, I'll dive deep ngelinye ilanga kulezi zinto zama-contract. Yeah, but-ke inkinga ye-Kaizer Chiefs i-fall yabo. Into cabanga i-moment encane i-collapse i-team yonke, but akusiyo i-moment kaSiboniso Gaxa kuphela bafethu, i-moment ukuthi kuhamba boMasha Mayita, boMandla Masango. So ukubuyisa i-team e-powerful kusho ukuthi leyo nto leyo i-disturb-a i-team, i-disturb-a i-core base ye-team ukuthi okay, le bekuyi-team ewinayo, bekuyi-team ekwaziyo ukulethola ama-results, but manje isenkingeni yokuthi ama-player amaningi laphana ayahamba nanokuthi iy'nkinga ziloke ziyanda e-teamini overall. Cela ukuyibamba la kwamanje bafethu. If khona izinto enifuna ngizikhave ngikhulume ngazo, ningasabi ukubhala kuma-comment. Danke bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs yarobha uSiboniso pagaxa 10 million rands. Danke bafethu. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.